Hello, everybody, and welcome to the National Society of Black Engineers E-Day exhibit. We are so excited to have you here. We hope you've had a wonderful E-Day, and we also hope you enjoy our presentation. Today, we're going to be demoing Beyond Sight. Beyond Sight is a computer vision program made for color detection. I'll be going over a little bit about how it's made, how it works, and we'll do some really fun demos by showing you things from sticky notes to cereal boxes. And yes, I shot this video with a cereal box beside me. More on NSBE. If you want to contact us or learn more about us, you can head onto our website or you can reach out to us at ukyengineering@gmail.com. We'd love to hear any questions you might have about our organization and what we do on campus, and also just tell you a little bit more about what it's like to be an engineer. My name is Jachimike Onoha. I'm a computer engineering junior here at the University of Kentucky. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about the demo or if you have any questions about tech. My email is right down here, and I'd love to get to know everyone a bit more. Now, without further delay, let us hop into this amazing demo. So, Beyond Sight. Beyond Sight is a color detection program made with OpenCV. That's Open Computer Vision, with the Open Computer Vision library. It's really cool. It uses HSV filters. Essentially, HSV is hue saturation value. That's what it stands for. It is a color scale similar to RGB, but gives you the opportunity to select certain colors on a very different scale in terms of degrees of like a gigantic color wheel. And then you can also pick the saturation and the value, and these all allow you to make different colors of different intensities, ranging from like all over the spectrum. So that is what I use to filter out certain colors, and then we outline them by using contours. Now, this is the main program, and I'm not going to go too deep into this just for the sake of time, but this is the main program where everything kind of comes together. This is the filter file where we filter everything. These are the ranges so everything has a lower bound and an upper bound. And then we use that to determine what type of color it is. And then we make only that color white and every other thing black. So set it to every instance of that color is set to 255, which makes it the brightest thing in the image, and every other thing is set to 0, which makes it technically non-existent in the image, just a black screen. So we do that for every single color and then create what is known as a color mask. We use this mask and we AND it, essentially combine it with the original image. That way we are able to isolate that color. And I can go more in depth with this, depending on who's interested. You can reach out to me and I can explain it a bit more. As for the contours just draw, contours find continuous lines and shapes to essentially to determine if it is one shape, and then it draws a line around it. This is a very oversimplified explanation, but like I said, if anyone wants to go more in depth in this, please reach out to me and I would love to explain it more. Now, so that I don't bore you with the technical stuff, even though I know you guys love that, I'm really excited to show you how this works. So let us head into the demo. Now, as you can see, it's a bit not too clear right now because it's very sensitive to light. Now, as I switch on the light, give it a minute to stabilize, we see it is largely stabilized right now if I can stop moving. All right, so let's test out some colors. You will notice when I raise up my hand, it says it's red, and it also gets my UK mask. It's saying it's red because of the blood in my skin. So technically, this is a very wonderful way to check if someone is alive, because if it's not red, then that's scary. I have another UK mask. We are technically sponsored. So this is another UK mask. You can see it says blue. And it also says blue just around this because there's also like a little blue outline in between the like inside the U and the K, so it sees that as well, and it says that is blue. Like I said, it's also picking up the light reflecting all over the place and all that, so we can see that. Now, how about green? So I have this little green sticky note with me, and you don't need to take my word for it. It shows up right on the screen, and as you can see, this is a green sticky note. Now, let's try something bigger with green. I have this really cool box of the Jetson Nano, and this is also green, as you can see. Now, I did say I had a cereal box. Did I? I probably did. So here it is. As you can see, this says yellow, and this is just a very good example of us seeing the program detect multiple colors in an image. Right now, oh, sorry, something just fell. Right now, you can see we have yellow, red, a bit of blue, and it's not programmed to detect white, so that is why it ignores all the other white um, images. But as you can see, it's even detecting the yellow little sun right there. So that is pretty cool. And I believe I have one more thing. Yes, I do. Lysol, because we need to stay clean. So this also is yellow, but you can see it has red and it detects everything. So this is just one of the really cool things you can do with computer vision. You can do things from making paintings to generating faces. It is really, really cool things in computer vision and image processing. So definitely, if you're someone who's interested in that, or if this is your first time being exposed like to a little bit more advanced tech, I think this is a really cool thing to get into, as I am really just getting into it myself. And let me know what you guys think. So this has been Beyond Sight. My name is Jachimike Onoha. I hope you've had fun. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please, like I said, reach out to me or anyone at NSBE, and we'd love to hear more about you, what you think, and answer any questions you might have. Have a wonderful ED. Bye.